Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential confirmed airdrop called Fogo, or you can also call it Fogo Chain. If you visit their website, you can see what they're building. Trade without compromise. They're essentially creating a platform where transactions are very fast with no latency, no friction and no nonsense. Their straightforward goal is to enhance your trading experience without any compromises. As you can see, they have already raised $13.5 million in funding, and it is a confirmed airdrop, which is great. The project is funded by Distributed Global. Their testnet went public on July 23rd, just 4 days ago. So we'll be joining this testnet. If you visit their X profile, you can see they have 144k followers right now, and they just shared an update about their testnet going live. If you scroll down, you'll notice they are really active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. Simply click the link and you will land on this page. Here you first need to connect your wallet. You can use Phantom, Index, Nightly, Leap Backpack or Solfrare. Click login with Fogo, then choose your wallet. Here I'll choose Phantom wallet. Then click connect. And confirm. The wallet is now connected. Next, scroll down to step 2 where you need to claim the faucet. Click on get test tokens. Then enter your wallet address. Go to your Phantom wallet, copy the address and paste it here. Now click request tokens. The tokens are sent to the address. Now you wait some time to get them in your wallet. Return to the airdrop page and click on the second task, Bridge with Wormhole. Click on it. It asks us to select a chain and token. Let's select the Solana chain. Below you'll see connect source wallet. Click on it and select the Phantom wallet. Next it asks to connect the destination wallet. For this, we need to install and set up the Nightly wallet. Click on install Nightly, then click get Nightly wallet now. Since I'm using Chrome, download it for whichever browser you're using. They also have a mobile app available which you can download. For now, I'll download it for Chrome and add it as an extension. The extension is downloaded. After that, open the extension and you will see a page like this. It gives us two options, create a new wallet or restore an existing one. I recommend importing the seed phrase from your Phantom wallet into the Nightly wallet. Click on restore existing wallet, enter your seed phrase and click restore. It will ask you to set up a password. Enter the password and click next. Select the Solana network. It will ask for an address and the same Solana address from your Phantom wallet should already be selected. If not, select it and click confirm. Our wallet is created. Now return to the Wormhole page and choose the network again. Click on connect destination wallet, select Nightly and click connect. Done, our wallet is added. Now we need to select a token. Let's keep Fogo token selected and enter an amount. Since we haven't received the faucet yet, we'll complete this task later. Simply enter any small amount, confirm the transaction and the task will be completed. Return to the airdrop page and scroll to step 3. In step 3, we need to interact with their dApps such as Valiant, Fluxbeam, Rugcheck and Pyron. Let's click on Valiant first. Here we need to click login with Fogo and connect either our Phantom or Nightly wallet. I'll connect Nightly. Click connect. Then login and approve it. Our wallet is connected. What do we do here? We can only proceed after getting the faucet. Once we have the faucet, select the tokens and convert them to another token. One thing to note, avoid repeatedly converting the same small amount like 0.01 as this could be flagged as spot activity. As I mentioned earlier, we need to play smartly, convert different amounts like 0.03 or 0.05 and swap between different tokens. Back to the airdrop page and click on Fluxbeam. It also offers a faucet option, but since the faucet isn't available yet, we'll close it. Here we need to trade. Search for a token like Fogo and select it. Just like any trading platform, you'll need to buy or sell. First log in, connect the Fogo wallet. Here I'll select Phantom wallet, then connect. Done, our wallet is connected. You can perform buy sell actions once you have the faucet. Back to the airdrop page and let's check out rug check. Here you can scan tokens to check if they're scams. Log in, select the nightly wallet and connect. If the login fails, try again and approve. Click on login and then approve. Now select a token like Fogo and check it. However, I'm getting a report generation error, likely due to heavy traffic. For now, let's skip this. Back to the airdrop page, let's check out Pyron. Here you can lend and borrow. However, their beta testnet isn't live yet, but will be soon. For now, we only need to interact with these 3 dApps. I'll update you on our Telegram when more dApps or ambient become available. Make sure to join our Telegram. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.